So today I'm going to be doing a haul unboxing of some of the things that I recently ordered, and I also had a subscriber send me some awesome products. This is not the first time she sent me some great stuff. This time I did get a hold of her and asked her if it was okay if I unboxed it on a video, and she said sure, go right ahead. So I'm excited to show you what she has sent me. Alright, first let's go ahead and get into my Ulta box. It's nothing too exciting, but I did purchase a few things that I wanted to try, and just some things that I absolutely, could not live without. So the first thing you always get your samples here. That will go right into the giveaway box. I ended up getting Essence Lash Gel just so that I can set my brows. My Anastasia gel is running out, and I figured why not try something that was inexpensive and see if this will work. So I picked up the Essence one. I'm hoping this will work. We'll see what happens. This was only like $2.99, so fingers crossed this works and I won't have to buy the $20 one that I've been buying for the last couple of years. The next thing I ended up picking up was a new sponge from Ulta. It's a super blender sponge, but the reason why I wanted it is because I needed to meet the requirements to get the free shipping, but it has like a little stand, so I'm really excited to have the stand. I do have one right now from Real Techniques sitting here for my blenders, but I did need a second one for, and I always use two blenders when I'm putting makeup on. I know it's kind of crazy, but I do. So I bought another one of these just for the little stand, and hopefully the sponge will work. We'll see. The next thing I have in here is a Poreless face primer from Ulta. I wanted to see how this worked. I currently use the one from Smashbox. That one is a little pricey, so I went ahead and got the trial size of the one from Ulta just to see how it worked, because it didn't have really bad reviews. Actually, the reviews on this was really good, so I thought it would be something to give a try and see if it's something that I can purchase at a lesser price than the one that I'm currently using. With that said, I did end up buying a rather expensive primer, which is the Soft Cover Pore Balm primer from I'm not sure what this company is called, but I'm gonna go ahead and put it right here. This one was $18 for this little jar here. Actually, it's not that small of a jar, but what I thought I would do is go ahead and use it to fill in my because it's just a very thick balm to go ahead and fill in my pores and stuff. So I'm hoping this will work better than the one that I use from Smashbox now. And what I'm going to do is just take one of my little mini blenders and put it in there and then rub it into my skin with that. So once I start using this, if you guys want to know a little bit more about this, I will let you know. I'll put all the information down in the description so you know if you want to try this out. But I'm really excited to give that a try. I'm always looking for new primers, and this one caught my eye, so I decided to go ahead and pick it up. And I will put the full name somewhere here, that way you know, because I'm not the best at reading it and I hate butchering things. So alright, the next thing I ended up getting was the Naked Skin from Urban Decay, and this is just one of their concealers. This was on sale for $18, I believe, or 18, I'm not sure. It was on sale for $14. So I decided to go ahead and pick one up to give it a try and see how it works. I currently use the Shape Tape, and I also use one from Benefit, and I use one from Too Faced. So I figured I haven't tried anything from Urban Decay as far as concealers go, so I went ahead and picked one up in the color medium, light, and neutral. So hopefully that will work. Fingers crossed. I didn't pay full price for it, so I felt a little bit more comfortable buying it, and hopefully it doesn't leave my eyes under eye scrapey, because that's an issue I've been having a lot lately. Alright, the next thing I ended up getting was a color correcting liquid concealer from Ulta. This one I think was like $9. I got it in peach. I do have darkness right here in the center, or the middle of my eye here. So I figured I do have one from Benefit, and it works just great. Sometimes I'm in a rush and don't want to stick my finger in a pot. It's this one here. So I figured this would be a lot nicer because it has a doe foot that I can just, rub it on there and then pat it out with the beauty blender. So we'll see how that works. For $9, I'm not going to complain. I hope it works and lasts all day. But I do feel like sometimes with putting my fingers in the pot one from Benefit, I don't get enough product, and I do have kind of long nails, so my nails are always stabbing it. It's just, I feel like this is going to be something that's going to be a little bit more cleaner for me. So we'll see how this works. I'll let you guys know if you want to know any information on that coming up soon after I use it. And I went ahead and picked up two nail polishes. I currently use this. I have them on my nails now. This is the Big Primer Base Coat from Sally Hansen. I love this stuff. Actually, this is probably one of the best base coats that I've used. It leaves your nails kind of looking a little bit pale. It takes a little bit of the discoloration off, but it's also really nice when you put on your regular nail polishes, the dark ones or the light ones. It really leaves all your nail really smooth. It takes any bumps out or any ridges that you have. It's just a really good primer nail polish. And so I bought another one of these because the one I have is currently running out. And then I ended up getting the top shiny coat. I haven't tried this yet, but I think that hopefully it'll work just as well as this. So you guys know I like to paint my nails, so I picked these up. These are on sale right now for like $4. So if you get a chance to pick them up at Ulta, I'll definitely leave a link down below. And then of course, from ordering everything, I ended up getting a bag of makeup from Ulta. So I'm not even going to open this up. I'm going to go ahead and add this to the giveaway. So somebody will be picking this up. We'll be getting this along with one of the palettes when the giveaway comes along. I don't know what month, but it'll definitely be in there. Alright, so let's go ahead and move on to the next box from Sephora. I didn't get too much stuff from Sephora, so I'm not going to have to be rushing through this. But I ended up getting, I was talking about it not too long ago, that I wanted to get the brown Kat Von D Trooper, or the Kat Von D tattoo liner. So I ended up getting that. I ended up getting that Trooper, or the tattoo liner in brown. Yes, this is awesome. I'm excited to try it. I have currently decided to go to brown liners instead of black. So slowly I'm kind of building up my brown liners in my collection. So I'm hoping this will work just as well as the black one. Okay, and the next thing I ended up getting was the Ordinary Buffet gel for your face. I use the Ordinary a lot, and this one was, so it's supposed to have like all the ingredients in it. Right now I currently use like 3 or 4 different Ordinary products, so I figured this would be really cool to use in the morning, or if I'm being lazy at night, instead of having to put like 5 different products on, I can just put this one on. So I'm super excited to give this one a try. I really like the Ordinary. There's a lot of people that it's hit or miss for, but I haven't had any issues with it, so I'm excited to give the Buffet a try, and I've heard that it's really good. So I'll let you guys know if you have any questions on that. And then I ended up getting the Marc Jacobs Seamless Foundation sample. So I'm going to give this a try. I'll probably do an all-day wear test on that. This was just one of the perks if you order a certain amount. I think it was like $25 worth of product. So that was everything I got in my Sephora box. And then now we're going to go on to my subscriber box. So she sent me a huge box of stuff. I mean, huge. She's so sweet. She's like the sweetest person in the world. And she sends me things that I can use. Like, she'll ask me, like, what's your skin type like? Blah, blah, blah. And I'm just like, you don't have to send me anything. But she takes the time to write me letters, message me on Instagram. You know, we talk like once a week probably, and then she sends me stuff, which I think is just awesome that she does that she actually takes the time to do that. So thank you so much, Misty. You're awesome. All right, let me go ahead and show you some of the things she's gotten me. And again, this is the second box she sent me. The first one I didn't do an unboxing on video because I didn't know if that was going to be okay with her. So she sent me some moisturizing eye makeup removers. So she got me 2 of these. I got these last time too. I haven't even gotten through the ones that she sent me yet. So I will be stocked up on these for a while. They're okay. They have like a really thick gel to them. And I do find these ones hard to take off my eye makeup, but they do leave my eyes feeling moisturized like underneath. So there's pros and cons with these, but I don't mind these ones at all. Next, she sent me this Yes To Coconut Cleansing Balm, which I'm super excited about because you know that in my Sephora play that I got one and I was really excited. And she was saying, you know, do you want to try a cleansing balm? And I'm like, yeah, I really do. I haven't, you know, I just haven't picked one up. So I'm just so excited to give this a try. I'll be using this tonight to take off my makeup. I'm excited to see what this does. It comes with a little pad on top of it. So thank you so much for sending me this. You have no idea how excited I am to try this out. Next, she sent me a Real Techniques Prep Miracle Cleansing Sponge. I'm excited to try this out. I was actually going to order this not too long ago, and then for some reason I didn't. I like skipped it and decided not to. I'm not sure if this is for like moisturizers or if it's like when you're putting on cleansers to, you know, kind of scrub the cleanser into your face. So this is one that I'm going to definitely try to use it with my cleansers, because sometimes, you know, when you use a cleansing cloth, I normally don't get all the makeup off, so I have to go in again with the cleanser, which is something that I do, you know, every day. and use it. So I think I'm going to go ahead and use this. I'll wet this, put the cleanser on there, and then rub it in my face, and hopefully I'll be able to get all the makeup off. I'm super excited to get this. Thank you so much for sending me this. I really, really wanted to try this. Next I have 2 Yes2 bottles, shampoo and a conditioner. They're detoxifying shampoo and conditioner. I'm excited to try these. I recently said that I am definitely branching off and using different shampoos and conditioners, not just one, so I'm definitely going to be excited to try these out. They smell really good. They did open up in the box, and I did have to take everything out and wipe them off, but I love the smell of these. They smell super good, and who doesn't want a charcoal cleansing, you know, conditioner and shampoo for their hair? Hopefully this works really well. I'll let you guys know. I didn't even know that Yes2 made shampoos and conditioners, so I'm super excited to try these out. Thank you again so much for sending me those. The next thing she sent me is some e.l.f. masks. I think these are mask sheets. Yes, 2-piece mask sheets. So they're hydrating mask sheets. I'm excited to try these. I always forget to use them, but I'll definitely give these ones a try. No doubt that when I'm just sitting down now reading books, I started reading books again, so I'll definitely put those on while I'm reading books. The next things I've got here is a moisturizing lotion. She knows that I have like the driest skin ever. In the last box she sent me the cutest little lotions. One of them was an elephant, and the other one was, what was the other one? I have it at work right now. I can't remember. I have one on my nightstand for when I'm going to bed. I'll put lotion on my hands, and then the other one I have at work that's almost gone. So I'm excited that she sent me another moisturizing lotion. I have super dry skin right now. My hands are so dry that they itch. So thank you so much. You're so kind, because you actually listen to what I say, and it's just amazing that you're like, okay, she has dry skin, I'm gonna send her some lotion. So I'm super excited to get this. I'll definitely use that. And then she did send me a foaming wash, a pH balance. I actually love the one from I can't remember, it's the brand name one, so I'm excited to try this. I have really sensitive skin, which again, thank you so much for listening to that, that I can no longer use the cleansing soaps from Bath & Body Works because they make me itch. So I'm excited that she sent me this pH balance foaming wash. Thank you so much. I was gonna go pick up another one because the foaming wash that I have now is almost out, and I was just about to go buy a new one, so I do not have to do that now. Thank you so much for sending me that. I'll let you know how that works, because the one that I've used before from, I can't remember who it is, it's the brand name, that works really well, so I'm excited to give that one a try, and then if that one works better, I'll be picking up that one after that. Okay, so next she sent me a Yes2 Protect and Moisturize Facial Moisturizer. So this is exciting. I use a moisturizer twice a day, once in the morning and once at night. So I love Yes2 stuff. I think that they have a really good brand. Super excited to give this a try. Alright, and then next, I mean, she just sent me so much stuff, guys. I'm so sorry this video is so long. She sent me a foaming 2-in-1 cleanser. I love face wash. I go through a lot of face wash. I wash my face twice a day, once in the morning and then once at night. I know that it's kind of weird to say you wash your face when you wake up in the morning, but I put a lot of face stuff on my face at night. So when I wake up in the morning, I definitely wash my face. So this is going to definitely come in handy for me. Thank you so much for sending me a foaming face wash. I will definitely use this. It says it removes makeup and dirt and all of that, so awesome. I will definitely use this. I have to hide this from my kids because they come in to my bathroom and they take all of my face stuff. Alright, so I've got a few more things here. I've got a Greek yogurt hydrating shampoo. That's pretty awesome. I've never even heard of this. It looks like it has a secondary little tube in there, so I'm excited to give that a try. Let's see what that smells like real quick. Smells really pretty. So I'll definitely give that a try. And then an oil-free daily face wash. So exciting to try that. I love stuff that is oil-free since I have like natural oils that come through. So I'll definitely give this one a try. It has 2% salicylic acid, which is awesome if you get breakouts like I do. So I'm excited to get those. Thank you so much. You have no idea how much I appreciate the fact that you sent me all this stuff. And then I have a Dove Intense Cream. Again, thank you so much. This is going to be going with me to work. I'll definitely take this with because my hands are super dry. And when I seen this in the box, I was like, thank you, Lord. I can always use this. So I really appreciate this Dove Cream. You have no idea. Have no idea. Alright, then last but not least, she sent me this gold 24 karat facial professional cream from Crystal. I love this stuff, and this stuff is super expensive. She sent me some in my last box. I'll show you those. And then she also sent me the Rock Crystal Refining Moisturizer Dry Skin from them. So I'm excited to try these out. These are ones for your face. Last time she sent me a box, she sent me ones for my under eye. They're well used, as you can see. I've been using it. You don't need very much of them, but these are both for the under eye and work super, super nicely. And they're super, super expensive. And every time she tells me she's gonna send them to me, I'm like, no, please don't send them. They're so expensive. But I do love them, and I appreciate that she sends them to me. So I'm excited to try these. You have no idea. My family is just like, oh my god, that is too expensive. Why is she sending you those? And I'm just like, I have no idea, but I'm not gonna lie, I love them, and I'm super appreciative that she sent them to me. So I'm excited to try out the ones for the face that she just sent me. And then she also sent me this one here, which is a super facial nourishing cream. So I love to use nourishing creams like this at night before I go to bed to you know, put them on my face. That way it kind of nourishes me out through the night. So I'm super excited to try this too. Like I said, you don't have to send me these, but I'm super, super appreciative that you do. I will use them for sure. I have been using them, and I love all those products. I love every single product that you sent me from the last box and this box. Okay, that was everything I have, what I bought and what I got, and I'm super excited that I was able to share them with you this time. Let me know if you guys have any questions about anything that I've been using, especially that crystal stuff. That's insanely expensive, but it works so, so good. Again, let me know if you have any questions. Thank you again so much, Misty, for sending me everything. Taking the time to write to me, to send me things, to just see how my day is going. I really, really appreciate you. Alright guys, I hope you guys have a great afternoon. Let me know if you have any questions, and I'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.